What's up, YouTube, Bluetooth? We back at it. Hey, we're in Florida again. Check it out. We're first day here at this resort is called the Grove in Orlando. The Grove Waterpark. Check this out. Bam!
Unless it's in a glass bottle. Oh, I can bring this then. Oh, that's good. Oh, they did one lazy river. I never seen one way on this side.
It's lazy. Ah, look at that. Whoa, the kids spot. Check out the families heading. Wow. Yes, sir. The sun is back.
Check out sunblock. Some tanning oil.
That's not tanning oil, babe. That's not my beach babes. We can use it. Babe, I'm just gonna order.
Alright guys, check this out. We got the flow rider here. Awesome. We got some people taking lessons. We got the poolside bar and girl right here. Got our drinks. Lounge area. Let's sprinkle it on it. Hurry! Hurry! Oh, you look nice and relaxed over there. Enjoying your vacation? Huh?
Going up there, and then I will go around.
Oh, you seen us already? Look who's here, relaxing, enjoying his time here in Florida. Say what's up. Yeah. Yeah. You got the king.
Oh, only good the sun too, eh?
Yeah.
But the only thing was disturbing was the waterfall. Oh.
All the way around.
Yeah. That one and the one over there on the thing is going straight down there.
Yeah.
Even now.
There it is. Hey!
Oh, here we go.
Yeah! We made it. How was it?
It was good.
Alright, are you gonna grab your shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye. You should have done that already. Bye. Nah.
Come on, son. We're just passing through. We are just passing through. Oh no! I want a squishy like that. Oh look, Turbo! Where are they?
They're totally lost in this place.
Oh, baby shark to do doo-doo-doos.
Nothing.